The Philippines, Pearl of the Orient, located Southeast Asia on the eastern rim of the Asiatic Mediterranean. Bordered by the West Philippine Sea and Pacific Ocean, this archipelago of more than 7,000 islands is home to 117 million Filipinos. Due to our geographic location, we are greatly vulnerable to typhoons. When they hit land, they usually slow down, but not before dealing significant damage.
Isang taon na mula nang hagupitin ang super bagyong Yolanda.
With typhoons come strong winds and heavy rains, then floods and landslides by proxy.
Luckily, we also have natural shields from typhoons that protects not only us and poor homes, but also agricultural lands, ecosystem, and more. These shields are our geographical features, mountains and mountain ranges. They are strong natural walls that exceptionally slow down wind speeds of tropical cyclones.
Our longest and most significant national mountain range is Sierra Madre. This 540-kilometer range runs through 10 provinces and is a home of a plethora of biomes with their own plants and animals. Unfortunately, Sierra Madre is threatened through illegal logging and mining activities. The integrity of the mountain range falls at risk.
Sierra Madre must be protected, not only because it can shield some of our regions from catastrophic typhoons, but also for its thriving plant and animal life. This landform must not be touched nor harmed in the effort of environmental conservation.